Introduction to Azure SQL Scale-Up. Azure SQL Database is a cloud-based database service that provides a managed relational database experience. One of the key benefits of using Azure SQL Database is the ability to scale up your database to meet growing demands. In this tutorial, we will explore why you should use Azure SQL Scale-Up. Understanding Azure SQL Scale-Up. Azure SQL Scale-Up allows you to increase the power of your database by upgrading to a higher service tier or increasing the number of database throughput units. This can be done quickly and easily without having to manage any underlying infrastructure. By scaling up your database, you can improve performance and increase capacity to support growing workloads. Benefits of Azure SQL Scale-Up. There are several benefits to using Azure SQL Scale-Up. Firstly, it allows you to respond quickly to changing business needs by increasing or decreasing database capacity as required. Secondly, it provides a cost-effective way to improve database performance by only paying for the resources you need. Finally, it simplifies database management by automating many of the tasks associated with scaling a database. Practical example of Azure SQL Scale-Up. For example, suppose you have an e-commerce website that experiences a significant increase in traffic during holiday seasons. By using Azure SQL Scale-Up, you can quickly increase the power of your database to handle the increased workload. This ensures that your website remains responsive and your customers can continue to make purchases without experiencing any delays. Best practices for Azure SQL Scale-Up. To get the most out of Azure SQL Scale-Up, there are several best practices you should follow. Firstly, monitor your database performance regularly to identify any potential issues. Secondly, use automated scaling to simplify the process of scaling your database. Finally, test your database regularly to ensure it can handle increased workloads. Conclusion. In conclusion, Azure SQL Scale-Up provides a powerful way to improve database performance and increase capacity to support growing workloads. By understanding the benefits and best practices of Azure SQL Scale-Up, you can ensure your database is always performing at its best, whether you are experiencing rapid growth or just need to improve database performance. Azure SQL Scale-Up is a valuable tool that can help you achieve your goals.